So in this video we're going to look at how to set a temporary origin inside JWEI's JWCAM software. So first of all we open up our software and we reset our table. Then we're going to move the head to the position that we'd like our temporary origin to be in. So I would like my temporary origin to be there, and you'll see it's identified with the purple pencil within JWEI's JWCAM. So currently our temporary origin is this position here. So it's right in the origin position of the table. Now to move it, we're going to click this button here that says temp origin, and you'll see that the cross will now snap to the purple pencil. If I move the head out of the way slightly, you'll see that there is our temporary origin. And that is where it's going to start cutting if you do not have registration marks on your job. Now, to snap it back to the temporary origin, you can see I've now got the option of the red button in the middle. That snaps the head back to there. Now, if I would like to move that temporary origin to there, for example, I need to uncheck the button. That will then snap it back to the 0 point and then recheck it for it then to snap to the new position. So that's how we create a temporary origin in JWEI's JWCAM software.